So in this video, I will show you how to apply perfume spray. So first thing is you need to decide how much amount of spray you want to apply. So now where to apply perfume spray? Target your pulse point. Pulse point are the area where the skin is warmer and your blood vessels are closer to your skin. This area includes wrist, inner elbow, behind your neck, behind your ear and behind your knees. So now how to apply perfume spray. So spit slightly, hold the perfume spray about 6 inches away from your skin and spit slightly on your pulse point, and avoid spraying too much as this can be overwhelming and may cause fragrance to become overpowering. Once you have applied the spray, allow it to air dry on your skin. Do not rub your skin together like this as it can break down the fragrance and change its scent. So by following this step, you can enjoy a beautiful and long-lasting fragrance experience with your perfume spray. Remember to start with a small amount and adjust as need to find your perfect scent intensity.